Namaste children. I am going to show you how to bisect an angle. So first we have to understand what does it mean by bisecting an angle. Bisecting an angle means we have to divide the angle into two equal parts. Okay. So here we are going to bisect using compass and scale. First for that we have to make an angle. Okay. For that we have to draw a ray of 8 centimeter. From 0 to 8 I'm going to draw a ray here. So this is my ray and this is my point O. Just mark the point O and this is my point B. Okay, the ending point is B. Okay, here we have OB, that is my ray. Now I have to make a 60-degree angle, and that 60-degree angle we are going to bisect. Okay, so first thing is we have to draw a 60-degree angle. So for that what we have to do, there is a middle point here on the protractor. It should be on A. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now all the lines are parallel. So now what we have to do is we have to mark the point of 60 degrees. So here we have, this is 0 degree. It's on the same line. This OB is on 0 degree. So 10 degree, 20 degree, and this is 30, 40, 50, and this is the 60 degree angle. So here you mark a point. This is my 60 degree angle and just join. This point I'm just marking it as A. Now A and O, I'm joining A and O, and this is another ray. Okay, so now this one we have to, this one we have to bisect. So for that what we have to do is take your compass, any convenient radius. Okay, so I'm just opening up a bit, and main part is your point and this pencil and this needle should be on the same level. Otherwise your angle won't be accurate, your construction won't be proper. So what we have to do is it's on the same level, you have to check. Okay, so after that you draw a arc of any radius. I don't have any particular measurement. Okay, so here on A, O as a center, draw an arc. Yeah. Here I got two intersecting point. This is one point and this is my another point. Okay, there are 2 points I got when I drew an arc. So this point I am marking it as C. Okay, this point I am marking it as D. Okay, so now we got a point C and D here. Okay, now we have to measure the radius. The radius is same. So what we have to do is on C, on C as center, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. And now D as center, draw another arc. There we got another intersecting point. This one I'm marking it as, okay, so this one E. This is my point E. Next we have to draw O and E join together. Those 2 points you can just join together using a line segment. Yeah. Now we have to check whether we got the right angle. So for that we have to check using the measurement. Now you can see here, this is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, and this is 60 degree. Okay, so you got a 30 degree angle. This one means what you did is a 60 degree angle you bisected. 60 degree angle means 30 degree, 30 degree. Each you got 30 degree angle. So you bisected an angle.